Hi everyone, just thought I'd share this quick tip that I've managed to sort out by myself. I've been looking everywhere for noisy fence panels rattling in the wind to try and stop them, like that. You find if you fix a bit of wood in there permanently, and then the heat expands the panel and breaks it. So I thought to myself, try some channel nuts. They'll allow the fence panel to expand in the heat and shrink in the cold. Simply put one either side. Simple fix. No more banging fence panels in the wind. Do one either side and along the length of the garden. And that hopefully will stop that annoying banging fence panels in the wind for you in slotted panels.